Dear students, let us solve this problem. This problem appears in CSIR NET 2019 December in part B for the marks 3. First, let us rewrite the given problem in the following form. Say minimize say z is equal to 4x minus 5y plus 10 subject to the constraints x lesser equal to 10, y lesser equal to 5, and the non-negativity condition x and y both are positive. Now since this problem is two-dimensional problem, we can solve this using the graphical methods, and let us find the feasible region for this problem. For this, we draw two axes. Say this is the x-axis and say this is the y-axis. Then x is equal to 10. Suppose this line represents the x is equal to 10 lines, and which is parallel to the y-axis, and this line y is equal to 5, which is parallel to x-axis, is represented by this. Therefore we have the feasible region 0, O, A, B and C, where the coordinate of the point O is 0, 0, that is the origin, and coordinate of A is 10, 0, coordinate of B is 10, 5, and the coordinate of C is 0 and 5. Let us calculate the values of the objective function at these extremum points. And here the feasible region is denoted by this region, since the constraints are given x lesser equal to 10, that is this line, that is x is equal to 10, this is lesser equal to 10, that is the left side, and y lesser equal to 5 means the feasible region is from the below of the line y is equal to 5 and the non-negativity condition. Now we calculate the calculate the value of z at each extremum points. That is z at the point 0, 0 is equals 4 into 0 minus 5 into 0 plus 10 is equals 0. Z at 10, 0 is equals 4 into 10 minus 5 into 0 plus 10, that is 40 plus 10 is equals 50. Z equals 10, 5 is equals 10 into 4 into 10 minus 5 into 5 plus 10, that is 40 minus 25 plus 10 is equals 50 minus 25 is equals 25, and the last one z is equals z at 0, 5, that is 4 into 0 minus 5 into 5 plus 10 is equal to minus 25 plus 10 is equals minus 15. Hence Therefore, the minimum value is given by z mean is equals minus 15. Hence, option 4 is correct. Thank you for watching.